Meet SNOOZ, a portable sound machine designed to help you sleep. Inside, a small fan spins to produce peaceful white noise. No looping tracks, no low-quality speakers, just the soothing sound of moving air. Adjust the tone with an easy twist of the outer shell. Dial in your personal sound cocoon with 10 volume settings. Control the nightlight, set a schedule, and protect your little one's ears with a first-ever nursery calibration, all on the SNOOZ companion app. So whether it's for neighbor noise, hotel rooms, or you just like the sound of a fan, SNOOZ can turn your bedroom into a haven for sleep. SNOOZ.
Introducing a dream come true in sleep technology. The Serene Paradise 60 from Serene Evolution, with 60 soothing sounds designed to mask background noises, like noisy neighbors and snoring spouses. Simply leave. You can even set a timer for 30, 60, or 120 minutes to mask private conversations at the office. Or get the sleep you deserve. It's time to take control of your sleep health with Serene Evolution. Because every great day starts with a good night's sleep.
Here's how to set up and use your new LectroFan Classic. Here's what you get in the box: a LectroFan, an AC power adapter, a USB cable, and an owner's manual. First, connect the USB power cable. On the bottom, you'll find a recess for the power cable barrel connector and 2 guides to keep the setup neat and tidy. Now, connect the USB cable to any standard USB power source. You can use the USB port on a desktop computer, the included AC to USB adapter, or an AC outlet which provides USB power. Your LectroFan will begin playing when you connect it to the power source. You can use the volume controls to set the volume to your liking. If you'd prefer that the LectroFan does not begin playing when it's plugged in, see the user guide for instructions on how to change this setting. Press the Fan Sounds button on the left to select fan sounds. Each time you press it, it will advance to the next sound. Press the White Noises button on the right to select white noises. Press it repeatedly to select the white noise variation. When you reach the first sound again, you'll hear this. Your LectroFan will remember the last sound and fan setting that you made when changing modes. This way, you can easily switch back and forth between your favorite fan sound and your favorite white noise. The sound that's playing when you turn off your LectroFan with the power button will automatically begin playing when you turn it back on. Your LectroFan will play continuously by default. You can use the timer button if you'd like your LectroFan to gradually reduce volume and shut off after you've fallen asleep. To turn off the timer, just press the power button to turn off your LectroFan and then press the power button again to turn it back on. It will now play continuously. To change the power on default, learn how to perform a factory reset, or find out how to contact us, take a look at the included user guide. Thanks for watching.